General form. What is the general form of an equation of straight line? General form of equation of straight line.
ax plus by plus c is equal to 0.
Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line. So what about the slope? If the equation is given in general form, what is the slope?
Minus a by b.
Minus a by b. What about the x-intercept?
Minus c by a.
X-intercept is minus c by a. What about y-intercept? Navrin, y-intercept.
Minus c by b.
Very good. Okay, write the question, children. Given the equation, given the equation 3x minus 4y, given the equation 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. Find its slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Find its slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Find its slope, x-intercept and y-intercept.
Ma'am, could you please repeat the question?
Find the, okay, given the equation of the line, 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. Find its slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Find its slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, so first thing is, once you are given like this, first you compare it with the general form. What is the general form? Ax plus by. We use capital letters there, isn't it? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We want to find slope. Slope is given by, slope is minus a by b. Apply the value and tell me what is a by b.
Three by 4.
It is 3 by 4. Okay. X-intercept. Tomlin. X-intercept. Can you give x-intercept? What is x-intercept? Tomlin? Tomlin. Srihari, can you give x-intercept?
Minus 10 by 3.
Minus
10 by 3.
10 by 3. Is it correct? Can you give the formula here? X-intercept is given by?
Minus c by a.
Yes, it is minus c by a. So it is minus 10 by 3. Mohammad Adil, what is y-intercept? Mohammad Adil, y-intercept.
Ma'am, mx plus c.
No, I want the intercept. What is the y-intercept? Mx plus c is the equation of the line in intercept form. Okay. Here I want this. What is y-intercept? Navrin, can you give what is y-intercept?
Minus c by b.
Minus by b. Okay, listen to it, Muhammad Adin. Okay, it is given by minus c by b. So c is here 10. So minus 10 by b is minus 4. So what is the answer? Is it 5 by 2? Is it correct, Rijas? Is it correct, Nia?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay? So the general form of the line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We can compare this and we are finding what is the slope, what is the intercepts. Okay, write down the next one. The next model question we are going to solve is very, very important question. Write the question. Find this model. Okay, so in this model and all we will get 1 or 2 questions only. Okay, mostly the same question will be repeated in all the books. Write down. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the points. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the points -1, 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point -1, 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, this model question is important. Okay, listen children. So one line is given. The equation of the line is given as 3x minus 4y minus 16 is 0. This is the equation of the line. So from the point, suppose I name this point as A -1, 3. From here, we are drawing one perpendicular. So let P be the foot of the perpendicular. We have to find what is this point P. How will you do this? How will you do this? Okay, read the question. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point -1, 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. We want to find this foot of the perpendicular. How will you do this one? Look at this point. Okay, so when two lines intersect, what you will get? When two lines intersect, what you will get? Yes, tell me children. When two lines intersect, what you will get? What happens? No one is answering. Two lines intersect, what you will get? Last year and all we have learned. When two lines will be intersecting. Yes, Gauri. What do you say it louder? It's correct.
A point.
A point. When two lines intersect, we will be getting a point. Is that no? And we say that as a solution of that equations. In 10th standard, whether we have learned it or not. Okay. So when two lines intersect, we'll get a point. Same way here, we want to find the foot of the perpendicular here. P is the foot of the perpendicular. So we want to find the point P. So let P be the foot of the perpendicular. Tell me, how will you find out this? How will you find the foot of the perpendicular?
We can find x-intercept and y-intercept.
Which one? Then x-intercept and y-intercept, then?
Section formula.
Section formula ratio, is it given? You know it's only the perpendicular, isn't it? You know that it is perpendicular. So, actually what is this P? Is it the point of intersection of this line and this line?
Yes.
Yes. So what we can do, can we find out the equation of AP? Is it possible to find the equation of AP? One point is given. Slope we can find out because two lines are perpendicular means whether we will be getting the slope.
Yes.
Using points, 1 point slope form, we can find out the equation AP. Now we have equation AP. Now equation of line is given. If you solve these two equations, we will get the point of intersection. Is that no?
Yes.
Is it clear? So our aim is to find equation of AP. So in order to find equation of AP, we need 1 point and slope. Point already it is given. We want to find the slope. Look at the equation here. Okay, the equation of the line is given. What is the equation of the line? Equation of the line is 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. So what is the slope of the line here? What is the slope of the line? Now we learned one formula. What is the formula for it? The slope of the line. You compare it with the general form. Slope of the line is minus a by b. Is it correct?
Yes.
So it is
3 by 4.
minus 4, which is 3 by 4. So what will be the slope of the perpendicular line? Therefore, the slope of the perpendicular line AP is, what will be the slope of the perpendicular line? When we know that if two lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 is minus 1. Therefore, what is m2?
Minus 4 by 3.
So just the reciprocal. So minus 4 by 3. And okay, reciprocal. Take the reciprocal and change the sign. M2 is minus 1 by M1. If two lines are perpendicular, product of the slope is minus 1. So what is the slope of the second line? It is the reciprocal of the first line, and you have to change the sign. Negative of the reciprocal of the first line. So M2 is minus 1 by M1. So we got the slope of the perpendicular line is minus 4 by 3. So now, therefore, what is the equation of AP? What is the equation of AP? Okay, we can use the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What about the point x1, y1? If we passes through the points minus 1, 3 and m we got, m is equal to minus 4 by 3. If you apply here, it is y minus 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3 into x plus 1. So when you cross multiply this, 3y minus 9 is equal to negative 4x minus 4. 3y minus 9 is equal to negative 4x plus 4. You bring it together, so 4x plus 3y minus 9 plus 4 is 0. So 4x plus 3y minus 5 is 0. This is the equation of AP, perpendicular line. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? So this is equation 2. Okay, so listen, once again I'll explain. This is an important one. Listen. Okay, our aim is to find the foot of the perpendicular. Our aim is to find the foot of the perpendicular P. For that, what we are doing? We are finding the equation of AP using point slope form. We are finding the equation of AP using point slope form. Equation of the line is given as 3x minus 4y minus 16 is 0. From there, what is the slope? Slope of the line is minus a by b. So minus 3 by minus 4, you will get slope of the line is 3 by 4. So it will be the slope of the perpendicular line. Slope of the perpendicular line is minus 4 by 3. Just take the reciprocal and change the sign. Note down this formula. Now, point is given, slope is given. So what is the equation of AP? We are using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So when you apply this formula, we get the equation of line as y minus, okay, we're getting the equation of the line as y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So we are getting 4x plus 3y minus 5 is 0. Up to this, is it okay? Okay, this is equation of line. Already, what about the equation of the given line? We can name it as equation 1. Okay, we can name this as 1. What is the equation of the given line? So what is the equation of the line?
3x minus
Equation of the given line is 3x minus
3x minus 4y
5 minus 16 is 0. This is equation.
minus 6.
Now solve these two equations, children. Either you can use elimination method or substitution method. We can use either elimination method or substitution method. Solve and find what is x and what is y. Find the point of intersection. That one will give the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, the first equation is 3x minus 4y minus 16 is 0. The second equation is 4x plus 3y minus 5 is 0. First equation, second equation. Solve these two equations and find what is x, what is y. Okay, you can solve it by elimination method or substitution method. Are you solving? Which method you are solving? Which method you are applying here, children? Elimination method. If you use elimination method, what is the value of Ashwin? Ashwin Binil. Ashwin Binil. Rijas. Which method you applied here, Mohammad Adil? Elimination method or substitution method? Which method you tried? Did you, Mohammad Adil? Alvin Benny, absent. Femina, absent. Ashwin, can you give the answer? What is x and what is y?
Negative 49 by 25.
Negative.
49 by 25.
That is the value of x or y. Negative 49 by 25 is the value of x or
Y.
y. So y is Negative 49 by 25. Is it correct, Achyut? Are you getting that value? Y is negative 49 by 25?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Oh. No, y value is negative 49 by 25.
Somewhere it went wrong.
What about Srihari?
I got 49 by 25.
Okay. What about Gayatri?
Ma'am.
This model, okay, only one question is there in CRT textbook, and this is an important repeated question.
Ma'am, can you say the answer again?
Y is negative 49 by 25. Okay, suppose I'm going to solve this equation by elimination method. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3. So you'll get 9x minus 12y minus 48 is 0. And second equation, I'm going to multiply it by 4. So it is 16x plus 12y minus 20 is 0. So when you add this, these two will get cancelled. You will get 25x minus 68 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 68 by 25. Is it correct? Gayatri?
Yes,
Are you- Yes, x is 68 by 25. Michael?
Yes, ma'am.
So substitute this x and find out what is y. Michael, what's the answer you got? What's the value of y?
Ma'am, I got 49 by 25.
Y is it positive or negative? Negative 49.
Positive.
Huh?
Positive.
Positive means wrong. Check it again. Check the value again. After finding x, substitute this in any one of the equation and find out what is the value of y. Okay.
minus 49 by 25.
Minus 49 by 20. Okay. So the questions which we are solving today are all important questions, children. Write the next one. Find the image of the point. Find the image of the point 1, 2. Find the image of the point 1, 2 in the plane, in the line x minus 3y, in the line x minus 3y, in the line x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Find the image of the point 1, 2 in the line x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Assuming the line as a plane mirror. Assuming the line as a plane mirror. Okay, we have learned in science, we are learning laws of reflection. Okay, all these properties now we are going to use. Now listen, you imagine this line as a mirror. The line equation of the line is given by x minus 3y plus 4 is 0. We want to find the image of the point. So let's P be the point 1, 2. So its image, its mirror image you will get here. So let it be P dash. P dash B. We don't know the point. Let us take it as A, B. Okay, so let P dash of A comma B be the mirror image. Be the mirror image of P. Now tell me, children, how will you find this? Our aim is to find P dash. Now what you have learned, the similar method only you have to find. Similar method. The previous question, what we did, we found out the foot of the perpendicular, isn't it? If you look at this line PP dash, what can you say about this line PP dash? What can you say about the line PP dash with the line? Suppose I take this as line L.
Perpendicular.
It will be perpendicular, isn't it? So, can you find out the point of intersection similar to the previous case? Can you find out the point of intersection? Once you find out the point of intersection, M will be the midpoint of PP dash, isn't it? The distance of the object from the mirror will be same as the distance of the image from the mirror. So these two will be same. So you take, let M be the point. Okay. So let M be the point of intersection. Let M be the point of intersection of the line with PP dash. Therefore, we know that M is the midpoint. Why we are getting M as midpoint? Object distance will be same as the image distance. So, M is the midpoint of PP dash and PP dash will be perpendicular to the line L. Okay, it will be perpendicular to the given line. So, similar to the previous one, we want to find the equation of PM. We want to find equation of PM. So what is the equation of the line? What is the given equation? So the given equation of the line is x minus 3y plus 4 is 0. So from here, what is the slope here? What will be the slope of the line? Rijas, what is the slope of the line? Rijas?
1/3.
It is 1/3. So Ashwin, what is the slope of the perpendicular line? What will be the slope of the perpendicular line? What will be the slope of the perpendicular line? Ashwin.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the slope of the perpendicular line?
-3, -3.
It is -3. So what will be the equation of PM? Okay, you can use 1 point slope form. Equation of the line PM is, use the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus, what is the point given there? Y minus, the point is 2 is equal to -3 into x minus 1. Is it correct, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
A minus
Yes.
1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Point is given as 1, 2. So y minus 2 is minus 3x plus 3. If you take all the terms to one side, you'll get 3x plus y minus 2 minus 3 is 0. So what is the equation of PM? So equation of PM is 3x minus y minus 5 is 0. This is equation 2. What about the given equation? Given equation is? Yes?
It is 3x plus y.
X, sorry, 3x plus y. Okay. Now is it correct, Achut? So x minus 3y plus 4 is 0. This is the given equation. Now solve these two equations and find out m. What is the point m? What is the point m? Solve these two equations and find out what is the point m. This one, is it clear? Is it okay, Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Now solve this and find out what is x and what is y. Shivani, what's the value you are getting here, Shivani?
Ma'am, doing.
Shivani.
Ma'am, doing.
Hmm?
Ma'am, doing.
Can't hear.
Ma'am, doing.
Doing. Okay. Which method you are applying here? Is it elimination or substitution?
Elimination.